How to add photos in Google Drive folder on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Google Drive application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Files. You can view all your Drive folders over here. On this page, tap on the plus icon at the bottom right. Here, select Create Folder. Name your new folder and tap on Create. And then, tap on the folder you just created. If you want to add photos to this folder, then tap on the plus icon as shown. Select Upload File. Then, select Photos and Videos. Choose the photos you want to add and then tap on Upload. Tap on Upload again. You have now successfully added these photos to the new folder. Following these steps, you can easily add photos in Google Drive folder on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.